thought that IAS officer Pooja Khedkar was the only one to have murdered meritocracy and got into the most sought-after government services via lies and deceit, you may be wrong. Because across in Chhattisgarh, the CBI has carried out raids and filed an FIR for rampant favoritism and corruption in the State Public Service Commission under Bhupesh Baghel rule. Look at this sinister web of alleged fraud and fakery of the cozy circle of nepo kids, of babus and netas. Taman Singh Sonwani, the then chief of Chhattisgarh PSC, recruited 5 of his family members in top government posts. His son Nitesh became the deputy collector. His nephew became the deputy SP. Interestingly, his son and nephew dropped the Sonwani surname for the exam. Moving on, his daughter-in-law was made the deputy collector, while his brother's daughter-in-law became the district excise officer. His niece, meanwhile, got the plum post of labor officer. Not just family members of the top BAB. As per the CBI, namdars of Congress netas are on the lens too. Here are the 12 officers being probed who have political links. Bhumika Katiyar, Swarnam Shukla, Ananya Agrawal, Rajendra Kaushik. The list goes on and on. They are all children of top Congress leaders. The son-in-law of a Congress neta and the daughter of a former DIG are also on the list. While the BJP says that nepotism of namdas is out in the open, the Congress denies any neta babu nexus. They say it's through merit, not family name. Listen it.
चुनाव के दौरान, विधानसभा चुनाव के दौरान प्रधानमंत्री जी भी छत्तीसगढ़ की जनता से वादा किए थे कि छत्तीसगढ़ में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी तो यहाँ के युवाओं के साथ पीएससी में जो घोटाले हुए हैं तो उसकी सीबीआई द्वारा जांच होगी और दोषीदार लोगों पर कार्रवाई होगी। सीबीआई अपनी जांच प्रारंभ कर चुकी है।
Are you saying that nobody associated with the party in power or their children should appear in these examinations? If they have merit, they certainly have every right to be selected. But if there is a wrongdoing, you examine their papers. This is what I had said to the media even at that time when this matter had come up, that the examination papers would be available, the answer sheets would be available. Examine the answer sheets and see that are the marks that are given on those answer sheets valid marks.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी लगातार प्रताड़ना की राजनीति कर रही है, विपक्ष को एजेंसियों के जरिए परेशान करने की राजनीति कर रही है। वरना रमन सिंह का जो पूरा कार्यकाल था, उसके जो भ्रष्टाचार थे, भाजपा उस पर कभी कोई बात तक नहीं करती है। आप कितनी भी जांच करा लीजिए, कांग्रेस उससे भागने वाली नहीं है। जब हमारे नेता ने, राहुल गांधी जी ने 55 घंटे ईडी की पूछताछ को हंसते हुए स्वीकार किया और आप कुछ नहीं निकाल पाए, तो आप कितनी भी जांच करवाते रहिए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
हमारे घोषणा पत्र का एक प्रमुख हिस्सा था कि हम पीएससी घोटाले की सीबीआई इंक्वायरी कराएंगे। सरकार बनते ही इसकी प्रक्रिया हमने प्रारंभ कर दी थी और अब सीबीआई ने इंक्वायरी प्रारंभ किया है। निश्चित रूप से छत्तीसगढ़ के नौजवानों के साथ जो अन्याय और धोखा किया गया था पिछली कांग्रेस सरकार के द्वारा, और इससे छुटकारा मिलेगा, न्याय मिलेगा हमारे छत्तीसगढ़ के नौजवानों को।
Not only are the nepo brats cheating a meritorious candidate, they also are draining the money of taxpayers. The interim union budget of 2024-25 has allocated rupees 310 crore to the personal ministry for training these government employees. You can see the breakup there on your screens. As for the Chhattisgarh PSC officers, they get this long list of perks from bungalow, car to phone bills and pension. So our hard-earned money is being misused by some in the creamy layer of babus and netas for their own VIP brats. Now let's